covering major news across San Diego. 10 minutes of non-stop news starts now.
A wealthy widow, her personal doctor, and the fortune she left him. Why her family disputed it and the reaction from the medical board.
A doctor, a widow, and millions of dollars.
Court records obtained by IT reporter Lauren Reynolds paint a curious picture of a doctor-patient relationship.
Shared glasses of wine, afternoons at 4 o'clock. Notes professing love forever and ever and ever and ever. Notes given to Grace Thackeray, a wealthy widow in her 80s, not by a lover, by her doctor.
But it sure seems very unusual.
The doctor is George McLean, their first meeting by chance.
She met Dr. George in the emergency room.
It was 1996. Grace Thackeray's husband, George, died in the hospital. A new friendship blossomed, as revealed by Grace's letters from the court battle after her death in 2006.
If I'm going to have a heart attack or anything, there is no better place than in the arms of my personal doctor.
Dr. McLean showed up at the widow's home within 6 days of her husband's death. In his deposition, the doctor said he got her address from emergency room records.
Maybe she was lonely and maybe she was vulnerable.
Grace Thackeray's friend, Donna Vinton, is not passing judgment, but wonders about details of their doctor-patient relationship, including his notes.
An apple a day won't keep this doctor away. XOXO George. Gigi, I love you so much. XOXO me.
Over the next 10 years, the married doctor received an increasing piece of the Thackeray Trust, eventually inheriting the largest piece of it. The American Medical Association has guidelines about wills to doctors. The physician should consider declining the gift if it poses a significant hardship, financial or emotional, to the family. Grace had no children, but did have a niece who called the whole ordeal sick.
It sure seems suspicious as heck to me that a guy can go from a $50,000 gift to a $2 million gift while he's providing health care.
Attorney Mick Meagher was briefly involved in the court battle when the final will was disputed by Thackeray's family members.
It certainly looks pretty funky to me.
The doctor ended up settling with Thackeray's family, including the niece. The house has been sold. Grace Thackeray died at her home. Dr. McLean was there, ruled the cause pneumonia, and signed her death certificate.
Dr. McLean would not agree to an interview. His attorney says the allegations that he committed misconduct are not new, are unjust and false. Dr. McLean is cooperating with an inquiry by the California Medical Board. For the I-Team, I'm Lauren Reynolds, 10 News.
The court battle reduced the estate. The doctor ended up paying the Thackeray family $500,000, keeping roughly $500,000 himself. Tomorrow at 5, a voice from the grave, Grace Thackeray, in her own words.